This weekend confused where to go? Let me take you to Misty Wood property, which is 254 kilometers from Bangalore. They have got cozy rooms starting from 4,000 per night, and if you take the bigger ones, you get a private balcony too. In the evening, they surprise us with complimentary bonfire. They have a watchtower inside the property, and trust me, the view is panoramic. And guess what? We have spotted a wild boar from there. In the evening, you can enjoy tea snacks sitting on the tower with your friends and family. The property is very spacious for kids to play around, and the foods are absolutely delicious. They have their own jeep safari facility also, costing 500 rupees per person. Overall, such a peaceful and refreshing getaway from Bangalore. So do check out their property Misty Wood during your stay at Mudumalai Forest.